Hi, I'm Peter. I'm a love addict, and I've been clean and sober for 90 days now. In my last relationship, I learned a lot about how love can destroy my life, and the disease of addiction is really bad. God, why do you send me these women that are just like putting me under love spells? Looking into her eyes, and it's like an endless abyss, like an endless portal. Her soul is like a song and a fragrance, and I want to wrap myself in a blanket, in the blanket of her love. I mean, are her eyes blue? Or are they green? I can't figure it out. I got to keep staring into it. I got to keep staring in, and then it's like I'm falling in love all of a sudden. They put you into an altered state, whatever they do with the dopamine and the oxytocin. I'm telling you, they know what they're doing. I mean, they're literally trying to kill me with these feminine spells. It's gonna rip my heart out again. Because I give you all my love, sweetie. You don't appreciate me. Because I'm just trying to get a hit of her love, and I can't even function in this world.